Ever wondered what goes into making your favorite chewy gummy candies? Get ready for a sweet adventure as we unravel the tasty mystery of gummy bear creation. First up, let's break down the key players in our gummy ensemble. Gelatin is our star ingredient, giving these treats their iconic bounce and chewy texture. Next, we have sugar, the candy's best friend, making every gummy deliciously sweet and irresistible. Corn syrup joins the party, not just for extra sweetness, but also to keep the texture smooth and prevent those pesky sugar crystals from ruining the fun. And let's not forget the flavorings and colorings, the creative magic that makes each gummy a burst of fruity or tangy delight and a visual feast, with colors ranging from radiant reds to brilliant blues. So, what happens behind the scenes? Let's cook up some gummy magic. We start by mixing sugar and corn syrup in a pot, creating a sweet base that's just the right amount of gooey goodness. Once they're blended to perfection, gelatin steps in to give the mixture its chewy charm. As everything heats up, the goo thickens, bubbles, and starts to transform into that oh-so-familiar gummy texture. But hold onto your taste buds. We add flavor extracts and food coloring, turning our goo into a vibrant, mouth-watering concoction. A gentle stir ensures every bit is evenly mixed, making our gummies as tasty and colorful as can be. Here comes the fun part: molding. Imagine trays filled with tiny bear-shaped craters. We pour the hot, gooey mixture into these molds, whether they're bears, worms, or even soda bottles, making sure to fill each mold quickly before the mixture cools and sets. It's a bit of a balancing act, requiring a steady hand and a keen eye. Once the molds are filled, the magic of cooling begins. The gooey mixture solidifies into cute shapes: chubby bears, wiggly worms, and more. Each mold creates its own gummy character, and after a bit of waiting, our candies are almost ready to eat. But there's one last step: the final touch. We pop the gummies out of their molds and give them a coat of sugar or cornstarch. This doesn't just add extra sweetness, but also keeps them from sticking together. Plus, it gives them that signature slightly frosted look and a delightful crunch on the outside. And there you have it, a sweet, colorful journey from gooey mixture to delicious gummy candies. Next time you enjoy a gummy treat, remember the fun process it took to make it. Until then, keep that sweet tooth satisfied.